Chapter 8. Coding with Scratch Junior. What you'll learn. Scratch Junior. Starting Scratch Junior. Components of Scratch Junior window. Moving the sprite. Modifying the character. Adding sound. Controlling the character. Changing background. Creating a program. Coding involves writing instructions for a machine to follow. It's the process of transforming ideas and instructions into the language that the computer can understand. After learning coding, kids will feel happy and confident to use computers and make their own programs. Scratch Junior. Scratch Junior is a visual fun-based programming language. It enables the children to create their own interactive stories and games through simple coding. Let us learn to create animations and interactive stories with the help of Scratch Junior. We can work on Scratch Junior by snapping together programming blocks to make characters move, jump, dance and sing. We can also modify the characters, change backgrounds, and add voices and sounds. Downloading Scratch Junior. We can download the app followed by the link. We can also download and run beta version of Scratch Junior on the desktop computer by clicking on the link. In this version, the working of Scratch Junior is the same, but we will not see the original Scratch cat in it. CodeByte. Scratch Junior is an application that runs on tablets, but we can also use it on desktop by operating BlueStacks software. Starting Scratch Junior. After downloading and installing the Scratch Junior app from the internet, this is the first screen we see when we open the Scratch Junior app. Step 1. Click the Home button. The home screen shows all of our saved Scratch Junior projects, if any. Step 2. Click the plus sign to make a new project. The Scratch Junior window appears on the screen as shown to make amazing animations, stories and games. Components of Scratch Junior window. Look at the different components of the Scratch Junior window. Sprite. It is a character that performs all the actions. Stage. It is the place where we see how sprite move and interact with others. Background. We can change different backgrounds using this feature. Sprite list. We can add more sprites in our project from this list. Flag. We can click on the green flag to start our program. Pages. We can use it to add new pages in the project. Code. It is also known as program. It is a collective instruction given to the sprite in the form of stack of blocks. Code area. It is a place where we make our programs by snapping blocks. Blocks palette. This area shows us all the blocks available for programming. Block category. This area lists the 6 categories of color-coded blocks: triggering, motion, looks, sounds, control, and end. Moving the sprite. Whenever we start Scratch Junior, it starts with a new project containing the sprite. Use the motion blocks to make the sprite move, jump and spin. Move right. Move left. Move up. Move down. Turn right. Turn left. Let us learn to move the sprite. Step 1. Click on Motion block. Step 2. Select Move Right block and drag the black from the blocks palette into the code area. Step 3. Click on the Move Right block. The sprite moves in the direction of the arrow. Step 4. Click on the number 1. Number pad appears. Step 5. Click on number 5. Step 6. Click on the Move Right block again. The sprite moves according to the number and in the direction of the arrow. Modifying the character. Looks blocks are used to modify the character's appearance. 1. Say. 2. Grow size. 3. Shrink size. 4. Hide the character. 5. Show character. Adding sound. Sound blocks help you to manage all the sound functions. It lets you decide when and how sounds play in your projects. 1. Pop sound. 2. Play recorded sound. Controlling the character. Control blocks are used to repeat and pause the character. 1. Wait for specified amount of time. 2. Stops the character. Changing background. By default, the background of the stage is white. We can change the background of the stage to make it look more attractive. Let us learn to change the background. Step 1. Click on the background button. A screen appears with some backgrounds. Step 2. Click on the desired background to add. Step 3. Click on the check mark. New background is added to the stage. Code Byte. By default, Tick is the main character in Scratch Junior. We can add more characters in our project by clicking on the plus sign. Creating a program. When we click on a single block in the code area, the sprite moves immediately. Let us learn to create a program by dragging blocks to the code area and snap them together to make a sequence of actions. Let us learn to create a program. Step 1. Start a new project and change the background. Step 2. Click on triggering block. Step 3. Select green flag block and drag it from the blocks palette into the code area. Step 4. Click on motion block. Step 5. Select move right block and drag it to the code area and snap it with green flag block. Step 6. Click on the number 1. A number pad appears on the right. Step 7. Click on number 5. Step 8. Click on looks block. Step 9. Select grow block and drag it to code area and snap it with previous block. Step 10. Click on motion block. Step 11. Select hop block and drag it to the code area and snap it with previous block. Step 12. Click on looks block. Step 13. Select say block and drag it to the code area and snap it with previous block. Step 14. Click on text. Step 15. Replace the text with welcome friends. Our script is ready. Now, we can run the script. Step 16. Click on flag button to run the program. The sprite now walks, grows, jumps and says, "Welcome friends," on the stage. Code Byte. CodeMonkey is user-friendly and intuitive. It takes a straightforward approach, teaching real text-based code. It is an online platform that provides educational coding games and activities designed to learn programming in a fun and interactive way. Through games and challenges, kids can learn programming concepts like sequences, loops, functions, and more in an engaging and playful manner. Key takeaways. Scratch Junior is a visual fun-based programming language. We can work on Scratch Junior by snapping together programming blocks to make characters move, jump, dance and sing. Motion blocks are special commands that make characters move, jump and spin. Looks blocks are used to modify the character's appearance. Control blocks are used to repeat and pause the character. We can add more characters or sprite in the project. Click on the flag button to run the program.